All right, let's get right into it. We're all using AI these days, right? But the real questions are we using it well? And maybe more importantly, are we using it safely? We're going to break down how you can master the art of the AI prompt so you get exactly what you want while keeping your important stuff, well, safe. Does this look familiar? You fire up your favorite AI tool, you type in a prompt, and you're expecting some kind of genius level response. But what you get back is kind of bland, generic, not super helpful. If that's you, you are not alone. And it almost always boils down to one simple thing: your prompt. I mean, look at this example. A prompt like "write about cybersecurity" is basically asking the AI to just spit out a textbook definition. And yeah, it's correct, but it's totally useless for any real task. The AI has no idea who you are, who you're writing for, or what you're actually trying to accomplish. But then there's the other side of this coin, and it's a much bigger deal. When you're feeding these AI models information, especially for your job, what's happening to that data? How can you possibly use this incredible technology without accidentally putting sensitive information at risk? Well, luckily for us, there's a playbook for this. A new guide from Bob Slavic over at Virtualization Options LLC, which is a Colorado-based research and advisory firm, tackles these exact issues. It lays out this really powerful framework for thinking about prompts, and it all rests on two main pillars. So, pillar number one is all about getting those amazing, high-quality results we're all chasing. It's about how we move from asking these vague questions to giving precise, clear instructions that turn a general-purpose AI into a specialized expert just for you. And the secret ingredient for clarity? It's all about context. The source guide nails it, defining context as the background info and situational awareness you provide. This is the game changer. You're not just asking a question anymore, you're setting the stage, you're giving the AI a role to play. And the difference it makes is just night and day. On the left, you've got our weak little prompt, but look at the right. Imagine asking this instead. Act as a cybersecurity consultant. Write a 500-word executive summary for C-level leaders explaining the business risks of unsecured IoT devices. See, you gave it a role, an audience, a format, and a very specific goal. The result is going to be infinitely more valuable. Now, for the really complex stuff, don't try to solve it all in one giant prompt. That's a recipe for disaster. The guide suggests thinking about it as a conversation, what they call iterative prompting. So first, you define the problem. Then you ask the AI for a high-level solution. After that, you dig into the nitty-gritty details. And finally, you refine and validate the answer. It just breaks a huge task down into manageable steps. But listen, all the clarity in the world doesn't matter if we're not being careful. And that brings us to the second, and I'd argue most critical pillar, prompting securely. Getting awesome results is great, but protecting sensitive data, company secrets, customer info, that is absolutely non-negotiable. And the stakes here are incredibly high. The guide cites an IBM report that found the average cost of a data breach involving AI systems is $4.2 million. Let that sink in. That's a number that gets everyone's attention, and it really drives home why security can't just be an afterthought. And this isn't some niche paranoid concern. As you can see here, enterprise surveys show that data privacy is a huge worry for companies. A whopping 73% of them report feeling this way. And at the same time, actual security incidents are on the rise. We're talking a 45% jump in just the last year. So the threat is real, and it's growing fast. So what do we do about it? Well, the guide gives us 4 foundational principles to live by. Number 1, minimize sensitive data. If the AI doesn't absolutely need it, don't include it. Simple. 2, use placeholders to abstract your data. We'll get to that in a sec. 3, keep your requests narrow and specific to avoid accidentally giving away too much. And 4, the final safety net. Always verify the output before you actually use it. This slide shows exactly what I mean by placeholders. The insecure prompt on the left has a real API key and password hard-coded right into it, which is a huge no-no. But the secure version on the right gets the same job done by using generic stand-ins. The AI understands the structure of the code it needs to write, but no sensitive data ever leaves your computer. It's brilliant. Okay, so we've got our 2 pillars, clarity and security. But how does this actually play out in different jobs? Because let's be real, what a marketer needs from an AI is completely different from what a software developer needs. This table breaks it down really nicely. For a marketing team, context is all about defining the brand voice and the target audience. For a software developer, it's about providing precise technical specs and, you guessed it, building security right into the prompt. And for a data analyst, the real trick is to abstract out sensitive customer data while still giving the AI enough context to find real patterns. The core principles are the same, but how you apply them is totally unique. So, let's bring it all home. After learning all this, what's the big payoff? What do you really gain when you take the time to get good at this? Let's boil it all down to 3 really important takeaways. First, the quality of your prompt directly drives the value you get from the AI. Garbage in, garbage out. Better prompts, better results. Second, security isn't some feature you add on at the end. It has to be foundational, built in from the very beginning. And third, the best way to prompt is always shaped by your specific business goals. You know, the guide from Virtualization Options LLC says it perfectly. The quality of your AI output is directly proportional to the quality and security of your prompts. It's a simple little equation, but it is the absolute truth when you're working with these amazing new tools. And that kind of leaves us with one final thought to chew on. As these AI models get smarter and more capable every single day, is it possible that our single most valuable skill, the one thing that really sets us apart, is just our ability to ask the right questions, both clearly and securely? Something to think about.